What is going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We are back here with the 2007 Nissan 350z HR, and as well as we have Steve here.
It's cold.
It is cold. Today we're actually going to be detailing the interior of this car because it definitely needs it. It's all kinds of grimy and stuff. I'll show you what we're working with real quick. This thing looks so cool in the rain. Driving it around with, the overcast is just the best time to drive it around. But look at this. We got to clean the door sills here because they're just not the best. We got floor mats need to be taken out. Honestly, we got some nasty, I don't even know what that is. We're gonna do our best to get everything as clean as possible. We're gonna wipe all the dirt. I mean, look at this grime. I don't think that's been cleaned in years. So basically, look at this. There's a razor blade in there. It's just nasty to even drive this thing around right now. There's all kinds of stains in the seats and stuff. So we're gonna take the seats out, basically an entire detail of the inside. Look at all the dust over there. So I'm excited. It desperately needs it. Doing this is gonna make the car feel like a completely different car driving it around. And honestly, when you buy a car, you never really even get to look at the outside when you're driving it. And all of the time you're inside. So the inside of the car and the interior in general, I got straws and cups back here already we got to take out. I have my tripod, so we're gonna get some time lapses. And check this out. This is everything we're using. We got the ratchet set so we can get the chairs out. We got the cleaning wipes. We have some Dawn just in case we really got to get some grimy stuff off. But this will start to take off some color of some of the interior panels. So we want to be careful with this. Usually we use this on metal surfaces and stuff. And we got some soapy water. Shout out to Chris Fix shop towels. We got some brushes right here. We're gonna get in there with this, and it should be pretty clean by the time we're done. So all right, so first we're gonna be taking out the seats because it's actually a pretty simple job to do. I'll show you how this works. I believe it's a 14. I think this is a 14, and then over here that's also a 14 as well. And then you slide the seat forward and there's two more, so a total of 4 bolts, and the entire seat just comes out. One.
Get it in there.
All right.
Yes.
Front bolts are out. Slide the seat forward. And there's 2 more down here. Oh, here we go.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's undrivable now.
Ew.
Look at all that.
All right, check it out. Pretty destroyed. Here, let me take my parts. Little things here.
It looks a million times better already. Check that out. Now look at that compared to the other side.
All right, so we've been working on just this passenger seat for 30 or 45 minutes now, and look at this.
It is amazing.
I don't think this carpet has ever looked this good, ever. There's nothing. It looks like a brand new car, and it's just insane. So worth. So we pulled this net out right here, and then we're gonna put the seat back. But now, honestly, the seat is gonna be the most, the grossest thing in here. The orange coming out of this seat is gross. The seat might be a little wet, bro, I'm not gonna lie. But check this out. Okay, I have to show you what we've done. The progress me and Steve have made is unbelievable. Chairs are clean, floor is spotless. Let me go on the other side. What is up? It is day 2, and yes, it is still raining out here. I just want to give Steve a huge thanks for coming out yesterday and helping me out. I mean, I have to show you what we did. Like, look at this progress we've made. We spent about 2 hours cleaning the carpets in here, and they came out absolutely perfect. I still have to put the net back right there for the manual. I went through and we did our best to kind of shampoo the seats, and there's this gnarly stain right here, and we did our absolute best to get it out, and it's actually still a little bit damp, but I'm not done cleaning this seat. I'm gonna get that stain out. I don't know how, but I'm gonna figure it out. But I have to just show you. Even back behind the seat, we were able to get pretty much all of the sand, and the entire wall next to the seat, and including this piece right here, is all like brand new. So it just feels so good to have it clean. We did the exact same thing on the driver's side, and it came out perfect. So I actually have NISMO floor mats. I know this is not a NISMO, but the NISMO floor mats were only $55 on Z1 Motorsports. So I have a set of NISMO floor mats coming in a few days because the other floor mats were shot. I'm actually using this towel, but I mean, look at the carpet under here. Absolutely brand new. This seat was actually not too bad. We did our best to clean it up. We're gonna get into the rest of the time lapse. I need to clean the dashboard and the windshield and basically everything else that you kind of touch. We did the carpets, and that honestly is the most, like, it holds all the smell basically. So it smells like a brand new car in here right now, and that's just so cool. So we're gonna clean all the parts you touch and hopefully get this thing looking pretty much close to brand new. So I think the only way I'm gonna be able to get this off of here is if I scrape it with this thing. I don't know if you can see, but it's definitely wax and it scrapes off the bottom, so I'll be back. I scraped it. I'm gonna sacrifice this rag and just absorb the water. It's literally brown. Like, I don't even know what I'm scraping out of this cup holder right now, but it's like creating a soup. All right. I think I understand why there was a razor blade in here now. They were trying to get that wax out at one point or something. Ugh. I mean, it looks a lot better. Get really specific about what I'm scraping now. Ugh. I have to show you the progress we've made. And it just started raining again. I'm telling you, this 350Z has not looked this good since the day it rolled off the assembly line. Look at this. Everything in here is perfectly clean. I've wiped everything down to the best of my abilities. All of this that you see is just discoloration and stuff that has been chipped off of the actual material. Look at the cup holder. The cup holder has been completely turned around. There's a little nick right there. I mean, it's never looked this good. I pulled so much like dry soda syrup out of these corners and these creases here. Take something sharp and stick it down this and run it down here. I mean, you will be so surprised what comes out. But my other camera just died, but the very last thing we have to do is this odor eliminator, because this thing, I don't know if you remember, but it smells like a bathroom in there. I have one of those little scent trees in there, but it just doesn't do the justice, honestly. So these are super easy to use. Pop the lid off. We got to start the car. Turn the air conditioning on max. Well, not the AC, but the recirculating mode. And then you're gonna hold it away from your face and push it down to where it gets stuck. Oh gosh. So the fogger is running, close the door, and then you let it go for 10 minutes. Basically just let the air circulate through and it kills all of the bacteria, all of the smell. And honestly, I've been meaning to do this. It only takes 15-20 minutes to do, and it's absolutely worth it. So I'm excited to see how much better it smells in here once we're done. All right, so I have my alarm set for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes is up, then we just open the windows down and let the thing air out, and then we should be good to go. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We finally deep cleaned the Nissan 350z HR, and honestly, we've had this thing for about 2 weeks now, and it was 2 weeks too long to not have it clean. So it's just gonna be so much more fun driving this thing around, so much more enjoyable knowing that everything I touch is clean and all the smells are gonna be nice. It is raining right now. We have about 3 more minutes left of that odor eliminator thing, and then I'm gonna let it air out for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we're gonna be good to go. So thank you so much for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. Join the family. I have a lot of cool updates coming with this car, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what's in store. So hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next video.